Hey YouTube, Elijah's Auto Repair again. We're working on Chevy Colorado. Um, this thing, if you have a vehicle that doesn't have a check engine light, but it's giving you throttle issues, like say you go to hit the gas and you're just not getting the proper throttle, it just doesn't feel like you want to go nowhere. You're gonna want to change this throttle body out. This one has a lot of miles on it. It's giving some idle issues and throttle issues, so we're gonna go ahead and change that out. It's got a lot of miles on it, and the customer wants to just get it changed out. This truck has almost 500,000 miles on it, so any original parts are just gonna have to be changed out on it. So we're gonna go ahead, and I got the air cleaner box off. It's just a couple of bolts that hold it on. It just goes right here. It's got a hose here and another hose there, and it's got two mounting bolts that hold it on. Comes off fairly simple. After you get that off, you could actually access the throttle body, which it's these 4 bolts here. So let's go ahead and take those off. Okay. Okay, it comes right off. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. We got one from rockauto.com. Fairly inexpensive on Rock Auto. It's brand new. Unless you're in a big hurry, you need it for work or something, you have to pick it up from O'Reilly's or Napa or whatever, you know. But I tell my customers if they can wait, you know, just get it from Rock Auto, because they're real good with their warranties, and I've been dealing with them for about 15 years now, and they always warranty everything that I get from them. So okay, got that new one on. Okay, now we can go ahead and install the hoses. There. Now we can install this box back. Let's see if we can get this in there. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to get this rubber grommet in here. Okay, now we can go ahead and there's a hose back here that's kind of hard to get on. Just gotta kind of sneak it on there. Okay, I got that on. Just to get this in, let's see if we can. Maybe we can. Let's close first. There we go. Okay. That's the trick to it. Okay. Now this hose installed. Now, go ahead and get these hose clamps tightened down, and then I have to do what they call a throttle body relearn with the computer. So we'll get that done. Okay, now okay. But yeah, that's how you replace the throttle body. And now we got to do computer reset. We got to relearn the throttle body. Got a vacuum line here. Get that in. Electrical connector here, and that's how you replace a throttle body on a Chevy Colorado. This one's got the 3.5. We're gonna go ahead and do that relearn on the throttle body, and stay tuned to Elijah's Auto Repair, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.